At this moment, it's a big development in the Malda case involving judicial officers. The Supreme Court has directed the NIA to take over the investigation immediately, and the court has noted that 12 FIRs have been registered and 24 arrests made by local police. They've also flagged serious allegations against them. It has now ordered that all records are to be handed over to the NIA, which is also free to file fresh FIRs if needed. The top court has come down heavily on the West Bengal Chief Secretary over lack of communication, questioning his credibility and even directing him to apologize to the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court. The Chief Secretary has since tendered an apology, and even as the court has underscored the seriousness of the matter. Remember that Times Now brought you the footage earlier today where you can see how those convoys were being chased even after the police's intervention. Harish is with us. Harish, very, very strong words coming in, and the action of handing over the investigation to the NIA is certainly a very big development in the Malda case.
Yes, that's right, Madhav. The Chief Justice very clearly saying that NIA should forthwith start investigating very actively and independently question the 24 accused who have already been arrested by the local police, and pursue this 12 FIRs which have already been registered regarding the keeping the 7 judicial officers hostage. And the state has been asked to cooperate with NIA and forthwith transfer all the records related to the investigation to the NIA. And as rightly said, Madhav, the Supreme Court has pulled up the Chief Secretary for delay in action as far as keeping these judicial officers in hostage is concerned. The Chief Justice and Justice Joymalia Bakshi had a one-to-one with the Chief Secretary, who had appeared virtually online, and asked why you did not even pick the call of the Chief Justice. Then he responded that from 2 to 5:30 p.m. he was on a flight. Then the bench asked, after you deboarded, you would have seen the missed calls and should have acted accordingly. Then when he went on to say that one number was switched off and the other was a very secure number, this was what the Chief Justice said. What is the problem? You don't attend the call of even Chief Justice. One number, then he said, Justice Bakshi went on to say, security is so high that even the Chief Justice of Calcutta, he cannot access. So please lower yourself a bit so that ordinary minions like Chief Justice of High Court can access it. So the bench making a very, very sarcastic comment against the Chief Secretary and pulling him up for not picking the Chief Justice's calls.
All right, Harish, thanks so much for joining us with that big development, big update in the Malda case that is coming in. Of course, all eyes on the investigation, henceforth what will happen, because the huge implications that this case certainly has, politically speaking. Thanks so much for joining us with that update, Harish.